Hey everybody, it's Coach D here, and I hope you're enjoying Module 3 as you get into it. And I want to focus for a brief moment on the importance of risk management and just really drive this point home for you. You've probably heard me say this before. There's an old saying on Wall Street that there are old traders and there are bold traders, but there are no old, bold traders. If we fail to manage our risk, then we are going to potentially allow the market to take our money from us. And there's a well-known trader and investor, a guy named Warren Buffett, you probably heard of him, whose number one rule of trading and investing is to not lose money. And we know that. And his second rule is to see rule number one. So 2 rules: preserve the principal. That means guard your capital. And when in doubt, see rule number 1. The STEP system is really truly based on risk management. The whole premise is that we're trying to find trade opportunities that give us an express edge, a technical edge. And with that edge, we have some increased probability and we look for favorable reward to risk ratios. But we start with that idea of keeping our risk small. And we do that in 2 ways: position sizing and stop loss. Position sizing is your first line of defense, and stop loss is your second line of defense. And sometimes we can reverse those and say stop loss is the first line of defense, position sizing is the second line of defense. But the reality of it is we need to have both. Because you can have a stop loss, but if your position size is too big, then you're exposing yourself to more risk than would be prudent. And again, remember, the name of the game is to preserve capital. That's the number one rule. So if we want to trade well and successfully using the STEP system, it is vital that we really focus on the position sizing and the stop loss when we pull the trigger, when we take advantage of the opportunities presented here before us. And again, I repeat saying, there are old traders and there are bold traders, but there are no old, bold traders. Position size intelligently based off of your account principal and personal pain threshold, your risk tolerance threshold, and use stop losses religiously. Never trade without stops. And again, always position size conservatively.